Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn the various temperature zones of the world. We were reading the lesson weather and climate, and we learnt about the difference between weather and climate. Then we learnt about the various factors which affect the climate of that place. And today we have left over there where we were supposed to start learning about the temperature zones. So in this video we are going to learn the various temperature zones of the world. But before starting the video, before telling you in detail, I want to tell you that all of you are supposed to draw this diagram in your notebooks. Before starting the question answers, in the very front page, you just draw this diagram. You can use a bangle to draw this circle. This is the earth, right? And you have to show all these zones over there. So better to use all these light colors. So this is going to be easy for you to write, that various zones there. It's going to be very clear. So this way you're going to learn about, see, the earth. In the center we have equator at 0 degree, and this orange color depicts this is torrid zone. In the yellow color on both sides of the hemispheres, this is temperate zone, and then the blue color I have shown frigid zone. So torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. So torrid zone, it extends from Tropic of Cancer till Tropic of Capricorn, this side, this full orange color, right? So, and this temperate zone lies, the south temperate zone lies between Tropic of Capricorn and South Pole. The same way this is there for this north temperate zone. North temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and North Pole. So this is it's going to be really very interesting to learn the various zones, the various temperature zones of the world. So let's start it from your book. Side by side you will read and learn more in detail about torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. So let's start from your book. Open your books and we are going to start from page 59. Okay. The temperature zones. So different regions of the earth receive varying intensities of sunlight. Accordingly, the earth is divided into 3 temperature zones. So I have already told you 3 temperature zones. Which are these 3? You have to remember: the torrid zone, the temperate zone and the frigid zone. There are 3 zones, 3 temperature zones which you are going to learn in detail. So let's start with the torrid zone. So this is there in the diagram which I have drawn. This is the orange color, area. So torrid zone, even in your books they have given, see here also the way they have shown in the orange color. Only there is one correction because they have written 2 times the same word. Tropic of Capricorn, this side also Tropic of Capricorn. In the north hemisphere you have to write Tropic of Cancer, so please cut it and write Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so let's start. Learning about the torrid zone. The torrid zone is the largest of the temperature zones. It extends from Tropic of Cancer 23 half degree north. Let me explain you. How can you understand? See, Tropic of Cancer, it extends from Tropic of Cancer 23 half degree north to Tropic of Capricorn 23 half degree south. So this way the labeling is given and this area is known as torrid zone. The equator passes through the center of the torrid zone. This is true, we have already seen. It is also called, now the other names for torrid zone. So please, you can highlight with the highlighter or you can use different colored pencils to highlight it, because whenever you're going to open the books, very easily you can find out that what were the things in torrid zone you have to keep in mind. The other name for torrid zone is equatorial or tropical zone. Equatorial or tropical zone. The zone between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer is called North Torrid Zone, and the zone between the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn is called South Torrid Zone. As the zone lies near the equator, it receives strong sunlight, so you can highlight, throughout the year and is the hottest zone of the earth because they receive the straight sunlight. So the rays are straight, so that is why they are the hottest zone of the earth. The climate of the zone is hot, wet and humid. It receives lot of rainfall. This type of climate is called tropical climate. Even the name is given, tropical climate, and therefore the zone is also called the tropical zone. So the other name is also known as tropical zone. So let's learn something about the temperate zone. Keep in mind we are learning about now these yellow color temperate zones. The temperate zones are on the either side of the torrid zone. The north temperate zone lies between the Tropic of